Tractors, technology of tractors, invention of tractors. The invention and development of tractors revolutionized agriculture, dramatically increasing efficiency and productivity in farming. Here's a brief overview of the technology and history of tractors. Invention of tractors. Early beginnings 1800s. Steam-powered tractors. The first tractors were steam-powered, emerging in the mid-1800s. They were large, bulky machines that served primarily for plowing and pulling heavy loads. However, they were inefficient and required a lot of fuel and water, limiting their widespread use. The first gasoline-powered tractor. In 1892, John Froelich, an American engineer, built the first successful gasoline-powered tractor. This machine marked a shift from steam to internal combustion engines, paving the way for future innovations. Early 20th century, mass production. In the early 1900s, companies like Henry Ford and Son and International Harvester began producing tractors on a larger scale. The Fordson tractor, 1917, was one of the first to be mass-produced, making tractors more affordable and accessible to farmers. Diesel engines, by the 1920s and 1930s. Diesel engines started replacing gasoline engines due to their better fuel efficiency and durability. This improved the tractor's power and cost-effectiveness. Tractor technology. Engine. Internal combustion engine. Modern tractors are powered by high-torque diesel engines designed to deliver significant pulling power at low speeds, ideal for tasks like plowing and hauling. Fuel efficiency and emissions. Modern engines use advanced technologies like turbocharging, electronic fuel injection, and exhaust gas recirculation to improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions, meeting strict environmental regulations. Transmission systems. Manual transmission. Early tractors used basic manual gear systems, but modern tractors often have continuously variable transmissions, CVT, which allows smoother power delivery and better fuel economy. Power takeoff, PTO. This system allows tractors to transfer power to attached equipment, such as harvesters, mowers, or pumps. The PTO revolutionized how tractors could be used with various implements. Hydraulic systems. Hydraulics enable precise control of the tractor's attachments, e.g. plows, loaders. Hydraulic power systems can lift, tilt, and adjust heavy equipment with ease, offering versatility for a wide range of tasks. Autonomous and smart technology. Autonomous tractors. The rise of automation has led to the development of self-driving tractors that use GPS and sensors to perform tasks like plowing, planting, and harvesting with minimal human input. Telematics. Modern tractors are equipped with telematics systems, allowing real-time data collection and analysis. Farmers can monitor tractor performance, fuel usage, and field conditions from a distance. Impact of tractor technology on farming. Increased efficiency. Tractors significantly reduced the time and labor needed for farming tasks, allowing for larger-scale farming operations. Precision agriculture. Tractors equipped with GPS and precision tools have enabled precision farming, where every inch of a field can be managed efficiently, reducing waste and optimizing crop yields. Sustainability. Advances in fuel efficiency and autonomous technologies are helping farmers reduce environmental impact while maintaining productivity. Modern trends. Electric tractors. With a focus on sustainability, electric tractors are being developed as alternatives to diesel-powered models, offering zero emissions and reduced operational costs. Drones and AI integration. Tractors are increasingly being integrated with drone technology and AI-driven decision-making tools, allowing for more precise monitoring of crops and automated farming operations. In summary, tractors have evolved from steam-powered giants to sophisticated, multifunctional machines that play a central role in modern agriculture, with future trends pointing towards even more automation and sustainability.